dinos, did you know that every state uses hydropower for electricity? A flowing river is powerful. We can use the flow to make electricity. Ancient Greeks built water wheels to grind grain thousands of years ago. Today, every state uses hydropower, which is electricity from the flow of water. In Washington state, 70% of the electricity comes from hydropower. Hydropower plants are inside dams like the Hoover Dam. Some places don't build dams. They use just part of a river to make electricity. Isn't that amazing? Okay, well, dinos, are you ready for the worksheet? Remember, the worksheets are below to print out. Okay, grab your favorite crayons and let's start. First, let's pick our favorite color and write our names. Did I mention how great you are at writing your name? Now that we're done, let's read the directions. It says, green pea, what do you see? I see a pink pig looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Green pea, what do you see? I see a pink pig looking at me. What do we color the pea? It says green pea. Great job, green. Let's grab our green crayon and color in the green pea. Do you want to know some interesting facts about pigs while we're coloring the green pea? Okay, did you know that pigs get belly rubs? Find the right spot on a pig's belly and he'll drop to the ground and roll onto his side for a belly rub. Isn't that so cute? So the next time you see a pig, don't be scared of it, give it a belly rub. All it wants is a belly rub. Do you know how I know that? It's because it's me. I'm Peggy Pig. And I love belly rubs. Now that we're done coloring the green pea, what do we color the pig? Let's read. I see a pink pig. What color do we color the pig? Perfect. Pink. Let's grab our pink crayon. Great job at coloring in the pink pig. Did you want to know something else about pigs? Did you know that we love to sunbathe? Just like cats and dogs. Pigs love to find a quiet spot to sprout out on the floor with the sun on their back. Another couple of things pigs likes to do is we love to swim and we love taking mud baths. Don't you ever see us rolling around in the mud? Well, that's something we love to do. And another thing is snuggle for food. We sure love to eat our food. And also, last but not least, if you have a ball in your hand next time you're near a pig, throw it at the pig. You'll see how much we love to play with balls, just like you, my dinos. Don't you love playing with balls? I love playing with balls. Did you know that pigs are very smart? Isn't that interesting? Now, onto our favorite part. Let's color the background. You could do whatever your imagination tells you to do. Today, I'm going to color zigzag blue lines all the way down from top to bottom. Don't they look like lightning bolts? Now I'm going to grab a darker color blue and color in zigzags as well. What are you drawing for your backgrounds, dinos? Oh, that's a great background. Now that I'm done with the zigzags, I'm going to get a light blue crayon and color in the background. Okay, we're almost done, dinos. I just want to say how proud of you I am of every week for when you come join me for a new episode. Great job, dinos. You're doing such a wonderful job every week. I can't wait to see you next week, my dinos. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!